Colorking Heat Press Machine Company Limited is a professional manufacturer. We are supplying various kinds of heat press machines and consuming sublimation materials. The annual capacity more than 150,000 pieces machines and become main suppliers in China. Customers demand-oriented, continuous innovation, response within 24 hours, and most cost-effective is our advantages. And we continue to develop new products according to customers' market, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. We have developed a lot of designs, and our products are popular in overseas markets. We will supply much better products with diversified designs and professional services. All our products can meet CE, RoHS, UKCA certificate, and TUV SGS test standard. Our company promise reasonable prices, short production time, and satisfactory after-sales service. Our products are mainly exported to Europe, America, Japan. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. We have R&D team. There are 80 skilled workers to ensure that the quality of the order. We, all staff together, hope to make great efforts for your satisfaction. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We are looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.